Day mga ka-faith, alam mo ba na minsan hindi mo napapansin, pinaniniwalaan mo na pala ang mga lies ng kaaway? Pero tandaan mo, the truth of God's love will always set you free. The enemy lies, but God's love is true. Sabi ng John 8 verse 32, you shall know the truth, and the truth shall make you free. Kaya ngayon, alamin natin ang three lies of the enemy at kung paano ito tinatabunan ng love ng Diyos. Una, you're a loser. Ito ang isa sa pinakamadaling paniwalaan, lalo na kapag bumagsak ka o nagkamali. Pero tandaan mo, sa mata ng Diyos, you are loved and chosen. You're not a loser, you're a child of the King. So next time you fail, don't stay down. Remember, His love lifts you up. And next, you're irredeemable. Ang kaaway, gustong paniwalaan mong wala ng pag-asa, na sobrang dumi mo na o hindi ka na mapapatawad. Pero ang katotohanan, Jesus already paid it all. You are forgiven, redeemed, and restored through His blood. And don't believe the lie of guilt. Believe the truth of His grace. And lastly, you're empty. Kapag pagod, drained, o feeling mo walang kwenta ang buhay, sinasabi ng enemy, wala kang laman. Pero sabi ng Diyos, my spirit lives in you. You are filled, empowered, and complete in Christ. Kapag pakiramdam mo, ubos ka na, tandaan mo, may pusong nagmamahal at nagpapalakas sa iyo araw-araw. The truth of God's love. The enemy speaks lies, but God speaks love. You are loved. You're an overcomer. You're valued. You're empowered. So today, stop believing the lies and start living in love. The love of Christ that sets you free. This is Pastor Francis reminding you, don't listen to the enemy lies. Live in God's love. Like, follow, and share to spread the truth that sets us free. God bless. Shalom.